Hey YouTube, this is Mr. Brutal Force here, and over here we have the TAC R71 Tactical Customized, and the Mossberg shotgun. And we just finished customizing them with tape and electrical tape, colored ones, and they look pretty nice. As you can see here, I couldn't get it here because it's messed up.
But it's fully operational.
If it works, I have to cut a hole here.
Take the mag out.
Take the mag. That's it.
And this, as we said again, it's electrical tape, so you might not look professional, but still. And we're switching camera guys. Okay, so now we got my gun. I put some red tape and blue on my scope, here, on the grip, here, on the mag, which is fully releasable, here on the hand grip, and then usually on the TAC R71s, they have holes here, but I cover them to look like an MP5 stock. So it's not like we painted them, so eventually I will. So it still works. And all we use is this and this scissors. So that's about it. So
we'll give you one last look.
This is like our last video. So, I mean, not last video. This is like a really quick video. So.
Mag, grip, other grip, stock, sight.
Oh yeah, and the stock comes off too.
Stock, hand grip, magazine, handle, and stock. And that's it for today.
Peace, guys. Subscribe.